Hi everyone, you're watching DaryaCrochetLife. My name is Darya. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Sewn Bind-Off. It is very good bind-off. You could finish your collars with this method. It is really useful. Okay, basically what you need for this bind-off is a tapestry needle, and that's it, maybe scissors. So first of all, I will measure my yarn, my working yarn. It should be 3 times more than the length of all my stitches. If I finish, for example, the collar, I will take the length 3 times more than the length of all stitches of my collar. So this would be 1, then 2 and 3. And I will take a little bit more, just in case. Then I need my tapestry needle. Thread the yarn to the tapestry needle. Yeah, and I'm finished with all preparations. Now let's make our sewn bind-off. Step number 1. Insert your tapestry needle to the first 2 stitches, purlwise, like this. Make sure to take 2 stitches and pull the yarn. Don't slip the stitches yet. Step 2. Insert your tapestry needle knitwise to the first stitch and then slip this stitch, only this first stitch, from the needle. Repeat step 1 and step 2 to the end of your stitches. I will show you more. Insert tapestry needle purlwise to the first 2 stitches, pull the yarn. You could correct the tension of your working yarn because you make it more tense or less tense. It's up to you and it's up to your project. Then insert your tapestry needle knitwise to the first stitch and slip the stitch from the needle. And repeat these steps again to the end of all your stitches. And that's how you make sewn bind-off. It is very elastic, but it depends on your tension, as I told you. So you could correct the tension as you like. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Please like my video and have a nice day. Bye!